Ever feel like your muscles aren't what they used to be after 65? Like your body just doesn't bounce back the way it did before? Doctors have recently revealed something powerful. 3 natural powders that can actually help rebuild muscle, boost strength, and bring energy back without needing any heavy workouts or expensive supplements. And the best part? They're easy to add to your daily routine and completely natural. As we age, our bodies lose muscle mass faster than we realize. This is called sarcopenia, and it starts becoming serious after 60. But researchers have found that certain plant-based and food-derived powders can gently reverse this process, especially when taken regularly. These powders help your body repair muscle tissue, improve mobility, and even reduce joint pain, all without side effects or chemicals. The first natural powder is rich in plant protein and minerals. It's easy to digest and doesn't cause bloating or discomfort like some common protein shakes. The second powder works deep in the joints and muscles, restoring the body's natural ability to heal itself, which slows down after 40. And the third is full of natural vitamins and antioxidants that fight inflammation, boost recovery, and improve sleep, which is a huge part of staying strong as you age. What makes these powders different is that they don't force your body to work harder. They simply support it in doing what it's already designed to do. That means more strength with less effort, better balance, and a noticeable difference in how your body feels within weeks. You're not trying to become a bodybuilder. You're just giving your body the tools to stay active and independent. Many people over 65 think weakness and fatigue are just a normal part of aging, but that's not completely true. These powders have been shown to help seniors feel stronger, move easier, and even sleep better, just by adding them to a daily shake, smoothie, or even your morning coffee. It's not a diet or a plan, it's a simple habit. You don't need to join a gym or buy expensive supplements. Just start small. Add one of these powders to your routine and stay consistent. Over time, you'll feel more stable on your feet, more energy in your body, and more confidence doing everyday things. Doctors are now recommending these natural powders because they're safe, effective, and actually help fight muscle loss instead of just hiding the symptoms. If you've been feeling tired, stiff, or weaker than you used to, it's not too late. Your body still wants to be strong. You just need to give it the right support. So if you're looking for a simple way to rebuild your strength naturally after 65, now you know where to start. No pressure, no hype, just a daily step toward feeling like yourself again. Stay consistent, and in a few weeks, you might be surprised by what your body can still do.